Wait. These are 5 essential skills every web developer should have? 1. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Master the trio of web development languages, HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity, to create robust and engaging websites. 2. Responsive design and cross-browser compatibility. Ensure websites adapt seamlessly to diverse devices and browsers, providing a consistent user experience across different platforms. 3. Version control/Git. Proficiency in Git is essential for tracking code changes, collaborating effectively, and managing codebase versions efficiently in a team environment. 4. Problem solving and debugging. Develop the ability to systematically troubleshoot and debug code, enhancing problem-solving skills crucial for maintaining robust and error-free web applications. 5. Web performance optimization. Optimize website speed by employing strategies such as minimizing HTTP requests, optimizing images, and using caching techniques to meet user expectations for fast-loading websites. Follow for more such videos and save this reel now.